This is a template of text-to-image generation. I'll walk you through the nodes and the process step by step. Load checkpoint loads a pre-trained set of weights checkpoint. The ckpt_name is the path to the file containing the model weights. Clip text encode prompt processors to imports, text and clip. The text input is the description of the image as positive. For example, beautiful scenery, nature, glass bottle, landscape, purple galaxy bottle. Negative indicates the features not showing in the image. Then the clip encodes it into a format that the image generation model can understand and use for creating images that match the description. Empty latent image involves initializing an empty or neutral latent space. This latent space serves as a blank slate upon which the model begins to add features. Sampler samples images, turning the encoded prompts into visual elements. This involves randomness seed, the number of steps in the generation process, a configuration grid CFG, and other parameters. VDecoder decodes the sampled latent image into a visible image. It takes the abstract representation from the previous step and turns it into a picture. Finally, the generated image is saved with a prefix for the file name provided, ComfyUI. Here is the procedure and result.